Understanding the phrase, hard time. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that many find intriguing, hard time. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in various contexts. Hard time can be taken quite literally. Hard means something that is difficult or challenging, and time refers to the duration or period. So, if someone says, "I had a hard time doing that," they mean they found it difficult or challenging to do. Example, "I had a hard time finding a parking spot today." Beyond its literal meaning, hard time can also be used in a more figurative or metaphorical context. For instance, when someone says they're going through a hard time, it means they're experiencing a challenging period in their life. Example, "Ever since she lost her job, she's been going through a hard time." There's another way this phrase is commonly used. In the context of prisons, hard time refers to a long or difficult prison sentence. Example, "He did hard time in a maximum security prison." You can use this phrase to inquire about someone's difficulty in doing something. Example, "Did you have a hard time convincing him to join the team?" While using the phrase, ensure you don't mix it up with similar sounding phrases. For instance, having a great time means enjoying oneself, which is the opposite of having a hard time. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, hard time. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion, and you feel more confident using this phrase in your conversations. Remember, English is full of phrases with literal and figurative meanings, and understanding them is key to fluent communication. Happy learning!